everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Robin. I just wanted to go over some things with you guys about healthcare items being listed in our stores. I was advised by eBay, since I was restricted for selling Mucinex flu and cold medicine, because I had it listed as being sold out of the country. Well, you cannot sell any medications out of the U.S. You have to go into your settings and take off selling these items from out of state. Only sell in the United States. Like, for instance, this product with melatonin. You can sell it, but you cannot sell it out of the United States. Or if you don't take that off, you will get told not to do it and to take it off, or they will restrict your store, which I have gotten restricted because of this product. And then I got another restriction from selling a Mucinex cough medicine, because I had it listed with being sold out of the country. They told me that I can sell it as long as I do not sell it out of the United States. And make sure you check your expiration date on these things, because they will get you on that too. This one's still good though. But I decided I'm not going to take no more risks from this, so I am not selling any more medications except for what I've already got in my store right now. And once those are gone or expired, I'm going to stick with other things that I sell. No more medicines for me, because I was restricted, and I argued with them about the restriction, because they tried to tell me that they told me I couldn't, that they told me that it was because it was outdated, which I had a lot of stuff going on this month. My little doggie had a very bad seizure, and I didn't know if she was going to make it. So, I was taking her to the vet, and along with myself going to the doctors. I didn't get around to getting some of these things off of my store that was expiring this month. So I had to argue with them and tell them they never told me anything about getting that warning. And I went back in my messages and showed them and told them, you never ever got a hold of me to give me a warning saying, hey, this item is getting ready to expire. You need to take it off or you'll be restricted. Well, I won. I'm out of restriction. I'm selling again. But I am not selling medicines, over-the-counter medicines, anymore. When my stuff is done in my store, I'm not selling this stuff anymore. But this is one example. If you have these things like this, take the international selling off. Only sell in the United States. Like, for instance, this, you can't sell out of the country. You cannot sell this out of the country. Can't sell this out of the country. Can't sell things like this out of the country. Nothing like this. These are some examples. You can't sell these things out of the country. Here's another of that other type of Sleep Tonight. I'm not putting these things on there. The Robitussin. I'm not taking risks. Even if I take it off, I've already taken off the ones I have in my store, off the international sales, and only selling in the United States until they are done and sold. I'm not taking the risk anymore. And I don't sell this stuff very good anyway, and I don't make a very good profit on selling these types of items. because by the time you list them, and eBay fees and the um, gosh, can't think. Um, your mailing, your postage, it's not worth it because you're not making a good profit on selling these things unless you have them pay for shipping. Now, it's also with these things. You can't sell these out of the country. So take off the international sales out of your store. Only sell these items in the United States. And like this stuff here, you can't sell this out of the country. No medications can be sold out of the country. So that's my advice to you guys from my experience with medications. And make sure you check your expiration dates as well. Always stay on top of your expiration dates. And if I don't say this enough right now, from my experience, I don't want you guys going through what I went through. Go into your medications, go into your store, go into your over-the-counter medications, take off international sales, and only sell in the U.S. I also told eBay that they ought to make a video explaining these things to us because some of us don't have the time to sit down and read all the list of everything that you can and cannot sell medicine-wise. So I'm sticking with what's safe. I'm sticking with my beauty products, my facial products, my general merchandise type of things. That's what I'm sticking with. But whatever I have in my store right now that's medicine, I'm letting it run out. But I went through and took them out of the international sales. So for my advice to you all, take everything, all your medications off international sales so you don't get a warning or restricted. Because when you get restricted, you can't make money. And if you can't make money, they don't make any money. So that's my advice to you guys. Please go in there and change things. I still have a little bit more work to do in my store to take the international sales off of some of my medications. So this is my pitch to you guys. Take the international sales off your over-the-counter medications. And then everything will be fine and you won't get restricted or any warnings. So I hope you like this short little video. I just wanted to get that out to you guys and give you a little heads up. Really, selling things like this, even in quantities of 2, selling for what they have you sell them for, because you can't sell them for much more than $12, $13, $14, maybe $15 for a set. Plus, you give them free shipping. By the time you do your free shipping and the eBay fees, you're not making very much. Off stuff like this is light. Now this, you can make a little extra money off of this stuff because it's very light to sell and it would go first class. But for heavy things like this, no. These things, I've got a whole big box full of this stuff and I am not putting them on my site. I refuse to do any more medications on my site. Everybody else can sell them. I don't care. I have better luck with other things. But I just want to warn you guys, I accidentally hit the button to cut myself off. So I just want to end this video and tell you guys to take a look at your stores and do what I said to do and you'll be good, I hope. If you like this kind of information, please let me know down in the subscription and give me a thumbs up, give me a like, That's a thumbs up. Anyway, and I'm also doing this with my webcam, so this is a little different. So I'm trying this. It looks kind of weird when I'm looking at myself and talking. I look like I am going slowly talking, but when you look at it, it's fine. But just just heed my warning. I'm just, giving you this information. And I talked to eBay a lot yesterday and trying to get everything straightened out. And now my store is back up and running. So all my complaining worked out. I just don't want anybody else to have to go through what I went through. So I'm giving you all my warnings to go in there, take your international sales off your medications, and just sell in the US. So thank you for watching. I will see you on the next video. Have a great and fantastic weekend and the week ahead. Bye-bye.